Thank you. Indeed, first of all, thank you, and it's a great pleasure for me as from SAP to be there with you. First of all, to show our commitment on SAP side with creative industries to support both initiatives in France and in Germany about Industry 4.0 and Industrie du Futur. Our view is to be one of the bridge with Bosch, with many other players, to support this convergence in terms of aligning both initiatives in France and in Germany, aligning in terms of norms, in terms of initiatives, in terms of helping our industries overall in being able to support and being the leader in this industry, building a European leader in these industries. We definitively need to build a European strong position, not only to support our own industries, to make sure that we relocate industries in Europe, supporting our growth, supporting our business, but also being seen and being the leader in the Industry 4.0 or Industry du Futur overall, and building the leadership that we definitively need to have worldwide. This is a very competitive market. China, US are going very fast on this, and aligning our strategy, aligning our norms to make sure that we speak one voice to the market, I think is key. On the SAP side, and very humbly, we are engaged in both initiatives across the Rhine. As an example, we are now building what we call an IoT lab, both in Berlin and in Paris, to make sure that we can support and share experience and expertise from Germany and from France, supporting our local ecosystem on both sides. And I think this is the type of initiative that we need to drive, not only at SAP, with Bosch, with many other players. And I'm very happy to be part of the Creative Industries initiative in France, and I think it's very good and very efficient. So thank you.